Hey everyone, it's Miles again, and for today we're gonna tackle about this door right here. I'll be showing you what's inside it, and I'll be showing you how I organize it. So stay tuned and let's proceed.
You can see I'm taking all of our bath towels, and then next would be all the hand towels and face towels, and then everything else. All of the towels here that are taken from the linen closet will go straight to the washer. Is our very new Dyson V11. I'm currently loving it. It has so many different attachments that I could use. As you can see, I'm using it here. I am loving this Mrs. Mayer's multi-surface cleaner, and I use it all the time. Honestly, I just buy different scents, depends on my mood. But yeah, I love it and I highly recommend it. You can see that I'm transferring some of the items from bin to bin. Honestly, some of the older bins are just really disgusting and even though if I clean it, it won't be as clean as it should be. So that's why I'm just using newer bins, and then these older bins would probably be used in the garage.
So this is the chalk label that I used. I got it at a dollar spot in Target just for $1, and you get 6 labels. So this is my final output, I guess. This is our new linen closet. As you can see, this is a new one. I bought it off Amazon. I like it. I can put more stuff here, and usually the stuff that I put here and I'm planning to put here are those things that I need all the time, which is why all my hair somewhere here. And this paint spray and Aki stuff, all of it are there. I still put our towels here. All of our bath towels are there, and smaller ones here. This is the face towels, like other towels, hand towels, and Aki's like small towelettes, I guess. I don't know what they call it, but these are for him. I usually use this for sponge bath or whenever he's sick. For the third level, I guess, usually medicine stuff so that I can easily get it. These are for Aki's health stuff. That's why it says Aki's health. All of his health needs are here, like whenever he has flu or fever, everything's there. Medicine droppers there. I also put this one here. We actually got it as a I guess souvenir. And then this is the wound care area, because I have a designated like boxes for that, because I want to have gauze, alcod pads here, everything's here, band-aids, ointments, everything's just for whenever we have wound or boo-boos for Aki, obviously. That's why it has its own box. Put all our vitamins here, because so that I can easily get it when we're out of it, because usually we put all of our vitamins that we use every day in our kitchen. Next is this 4th level skincare and still medicine. Yeah, we have lots of medicine. So skincare products here, and also their skincare but more travel size. And then medicines, usually this box, the first box, are for capsules, tablets, everything. They put a syringe here. And then at the back are more like medicine stuff that we don't really need to like get it. Like, it's basically like just in case stuff. But we're very prepared because my husband's a nurse and I'm actually a nurse in the Philippines, but I didn't practice it. So at the, I guess it's not the last level, but 2, 3, 4, 5th level, I have my pads here, feminine products, and at the back is like tissues, facial tissues, and then here at the back are cotton pads, ear for the ears, cotton buds, and then all of the oral stuff here. And then I just put this here because I like having these, you know, hooks, and I highly recommend Command hooks. I'm gonna put some link down below, but I actually bought it off Dollar Tree. But I like it because they don't damage the walls, and because we're renters, we cannot damage the walls. That's why. I also put one here for chargers for our toothbrushes, and then that bag there is what I use whenever we travel, so that's why it's there. So it's beside all our travel skincare products. The last level, and I put a bin here for all our bathroom rugs. That's why it's there. So because our bathroom is in here, as you can see, powder room, bathroom rugs are here, and then some other stuff that I cannot place there. I also have some plastic bags for what we use for our trash cans, so that's why it's there. And then my husband uses this. It's what he uses to shave, and I don't know where to put this, so I just put it there. But these are suction cups in case I need one for the bathroom. That's why it's there. Got it off Amazon. It's so nice. I will be linking it down below so you guys can get it, and it's really nice, especially for linen closets or closets that are very small, which is kind of like ours. We have a very small linen closet. That's why this is very handy, very useful. I love it. And what I put here again are all the things that I just need immediately. It's a bit dark, but it's already nighttime. Anyway, that was my linen closet organization video, and this video is actually a part of my 3x3 challenge, which I am actually challenging at the AIMIE. I will be linking down her channel and putting it here or here, whatever it is, but please check her out. She is a vlogger from Finland, and I actually known her since college, and you guys should check her out. Anyway, I hope you guys liked that video, and if you did, please click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting 3 times a week as part of that challenge, and please also click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.